Hi guys, this is Mrs. Tucker. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the daily check-in sheet. There seems to be a little bit of confusion and a little bit of issue with completing out the daily check-in sheet. So first, let me explain. The daily check-in sheet is for any student who is currently working from home. So that's number one, going to be all of the AVL students, but that's also going to be my face-to-face students who are not totally back to campus yet. Now, the check-in sheet, number two, is used for attendance. It is not an actual assignment you have to submit. What I have to do every single day is, if you're AVL or working from home, I have to be able to verify that you have logged in to my Google Classroom and started on your assignment. You don't have to finish your assignment necessarily that day, but I need to know that you have gone into my Google Classroom, you have actually looked at the assignment, started the assignment, or even completed the assignment. So what I'm going to do differently starting tomorrow the 3rd, I am not going to put the check-in as an assignment. So if you're in your Google Classroom and you go to classwork, you should be able to scroll down to resources and you will see the daily check-in. That's going to be there. I'm not going to move it. Every single day you are working from home, you need to go in and complete that check-in. If possible, I would like you to check in with me by 3 p.m. That way I can enter attendance for everyone for the day. Now, the rule is you have until 11:59 to check in. So I understand if you're not feeling well or you're busy with other classwork, but to the best of your ability, log in, look at what your assignment is, go ahead, open it, take a look at it, then respond to the daily check-in. When you click the check-in, a Google form will pop up. So on the Google form, you're going to type your last name, your first name, your ID number. And guys, another issue that I'm having with you is your class periods. You, whether you're AVL or whether you're face-to-face, each of you is in a class period. So this is what I did. If you notice on the screen, everybody has a schedule. Guys, up here in Skyward, it says period. So 3rd period, Avid 2, this particular student. So when they come in, they're going to click 3rd period right here. Now this student, their schedule is different. So if you look at their class period, they have Avid 3, but they have an 8th period. If you're in 8th, 9th, or 10th period, you are normally AVL. Okay, but notice it says 8th period. So over here, this person is going to click 8th AVL. Guys, I have to go class by class. So if you don't enter that correctly and you put yourself in the wrong class, I might mark you absent when you were really there, or it's just a lot of extra work for me. I would like you to write the name of the assignment you worked on for Avid and something interesting you discovered. Now, like I said earlier, you don't have to finish the assignment, but I do need you to open it, see what's going on, see what's required. So you should be able to at least answer this question. And on this question, if you have to put have not completed yet, then that's what I would like you to do, okay? So when you submit that, you're going to submit it every day. One last thing, since this is a daily check-in, if you forget to do the daily check-in, do not go back and fill in a check-in for yesterday or the day before. This is for attendance for that one day, not for day before. So that's one of the big reasons I changed it from an assignment, because I noticed a lot of you who did not do it, say yesterday, then you're going in today and you're submitting yesterday's check-in. Well, that doesn't help me as far as attendance. So if you have questions, if you're still confused about attendance, please let me know. So again, this daily check-in is for attendance purposes only. I need to be able to see that you've logged into my Google Classroom, that you see that you have an assignment, you've reviewed the assignment, and then you can check in with me. You can do the assignment later, But also remember, you need to be aware of what the due date is so then you don't get late points on those assignments. Please reach out to me if this doesn't make sense or if I confuse you any further. That was not my goal. I hope you guys are doing well. Talk to you soon.